Hi guys, Shannon Marino here. So you've probably heard some people say, I'm not rich, I don't need a trust. So as you can tell from some of my other videos, the difference between a will and a trust really go to, the time associated with probate courts, the costs associated with probate courts, the publicity associated with going through the probate courts. And so it's really up to my clients. We don't push you one way or another as it relates to whether you need a will or whether you need a trust. What our goal here is to walk you through the cost, the estimated cost based on what you have right now associated with probate, the time associated with probate, the process associated with probate, and some of the risks and benefits associated with probate, honestly. And if you feel that the will is the right way to go, then we allow and we encourage our clients to choose the will. If our clients have more concerns associated with the process associated with a will, and we look at the cost and the cost benefit analysis for a trust now versus probate later, makes sense for a trust to be done, then we encourage our clients to go with the trust. It's really a personal preference, strictly based on what your priorities are, what your family's priorities are, and it's really not a judgment call for an attorney to make, because only you are going to know what's best for your family. What our goal is in the family wealth planning session is to completely look at exactly what you have so that we can walk through step by step the exact scenario. If you passed away without a will, if you passed away with a will, we would look at your will and what the terms are and talk to you about the process associated with that. And then what would happen if you pass away with a trust? Our goal is really just to educate, inform, and empower our clients to make the decisions that are right for them. And then once they make that decision in the family wealth planning session, we move forward right then and there and design the plan that works for them. So it's not just like a meet and greet. Hi, I'm Shannon. Nice to meet you. Okay, maybe we want to work together. No, like the family wealth planning session, I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to waste my time. We're all busy people. So what we've done is we've designed the family wealth planning sessions to actually be a working meeting where you can look at all three scenarios in real time. And we look at your assets. We look at your, the costs associated with each avenue. And then you get to decide what's right for you and what's right for your loved ones. So if you guys have any more questions as it relates to a statutory-based plan, which means no will, no trust, a will-based plan or trust-based plan, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to get you scheduled for a family wealth planning session. We'll get you more financially organized than you've ever been before. Inventory all your assets so that at least when you leave, even if we decide that our services are not right for you, at least when you leave my office, you will know exactly what is going to happen if you die without a will, what's going to happen if you die with a will, what's going to happen if you die with a trust, the costs associated with each, and you will have all of your assets inventoried, which is huge. There's $1 billion sitting in the Colorado Unclaimed Property Funds account. In fact, Colorado just started randomly sending out checks to people, trying to get people money. And that's how that happens, is people don't inventory their assets. So if they pass away, if a tragedy strikes and they're in a car collision, and their family members don't know all the bank accounts to go out and gather. So that's the goal of the family wealth planning session. It's not a meet and greet. I want you to be more financially organized so that you leave my office in a better state, whether you hire us or not. Okay? Feel free to contact me if you guys have any more questions.